emotions not help you for trading, and it can be, especially in the cases, for example, right now we have the big drop from Bitcoin, Ethereum, or something like this. So our AI guides traders with insights. What he used technical analysis, fundamental analysis. He used everything that happened in the market, in social media, and give the insights what happening, what he should do. He should enter the market or not entering, or waiting for something. Um, Etc. So the second, as I mentioned, AI routing finds the most efficient swap routes across Solana, and soon we'll have EVM. So right now we have spot aggregation, and you can buy. So if you buy, our AI already give you the best swap or best spread solution. When we will have our next step is perpetual aggregation, our AI will suggest you to open one position divided by a few dexes, yeah, and risk protocols. So of course it will be flags about abnormal spread and potential EV exposure. What does it mean? That means our AI works in two ways. First way, what the traders can see, they can saw inside guidelines and everything. And second, what he doing inside our platform, he finds the routes, give the best solution, and our next steps and next generation to the AI copilot will be, our AI copilot will be more integrated in the blockchain. And if we talk about margin trading, what does it mean? Trading with derivatives like futures or perpetuals. It's very important to know what is the money management. Yeah. Why? Because in long term, we can say in long term, for example, Bitcoin is growing. Yeah. But if you buy right now perpetuals or futures, it doesn't mean you can wait until, I don't know, 1 year or 6 months, something like this, because there are a lot of volatility. So you have to, as a trader, you have to know how much will be your margin, how much you can stay in the market, and a lot of things like that. Yeah. And our AI will guide with this, yeah, which is very important. I can so show our revenue model, which is, I think, very important, because we 75% revenue models is trading fees, and 25% is earning from subscription. What does it mean? We actually calculate our trading fees and understand when the trader trades with us, not the directly for the taxes, even he can save his money because we provide the better swaps and better spread. And I already showed actually our timeline. I already talk about this. We started from Solana spot, and I will be very grateful if our viewers who can see our video right now can see how it's work, and maybe send some feedback about this, because it's really important. Because our product, we our position, like we make product for traders from traders. Yeah. And the next phase will be perpetuals aggregation on Solana, and we find the forex instruments. And to be honest, it can be something revolutionary, because it will be the, we call it like forex, yes, decentralized forex instruments. It's nothing, have nothing the same with the CFD brokerage companies or something like this. And if you see our timeline, we have a lot of income generation scenarios, like yield routing machine. We will have AI trading bots, which will help to trade and automatize trading. Because as I mentioned, our AI AI Copilot can even suggest and give some delta neutral strategies. It's not always about trading. It can be, I don't know, some interesting rate or farming or staking or something like this. So when I start my presentation, I mentioned that it will be the all income generation scenarios. And when I say all, I mean it's like spot aggregation, it's derivative aggregation, perpetuals, deforex, yield routing, and of course, it will be cross-chain. We start from Solana, and next stage is EVM, and we will have AI trading bots, which I think is very important because I spoke with a lot of traders during my work because I like last 14 years I worked in the finance industry, and I spoke with a lot of traders, and I know that automatization is one of the biggest points that actually we will solve. Uh, few words about our company. So actually, we launched a Telegram mini application as the first step of user acquisition, and we're trying to teach what is the forex, sorry, what is the crypto, how to trade, what is the money management, and during the game they can learn something important thing about the trading. And we have right now more than 54,000 active members. We launched our first version text aggregation on Solana Spot January 2026, but it's already start with AI Copilot. Of course, it's like first version of our AI. It's already guide traders. It's already give some insights and help to trade. And the next, it will be much more better. And yeah, we're a startup, so we will start generate revenue this year until this. So we raised $500,000 before from two raises and angel investors. And actually, so it's a good investment opportunity for invest because currently we opened the round and looking for 1.5 million, and our valuation is 15 million. What we offer, we offer equity plus token warrant, of course. A few words about our team. Actually, it's not all our team, but here Karlen, he's a co-founder, and he have a big experience in trading and in business. He more than 10 years in algorithmic trading and crypto and stocks. He was built the crypto payment company by Teka and with more than $5 million in revenue. Me, I'm Narek Movsesian, and actually all my life I was, as I mentioned, in finance industry. I was head of sales and head of business development in CFD brokerage companies, and I scaled business in the more than 10 countries. I specialized on the Southeast Asia mainly and know the market and know everything what happened there and the partners and clients. We have our CTO, Alexander. He expert in smart contracts and development and security audits, DeFi and Zeka technologies. We have marketing team. We have actually brilliant people in our IT team, and we develop uh, our product during to our timeline, as I mentioned. And actually, I have here QR code. If someone have a time or interested in our product, you can just scan this QR code and schedule meeting with me, calendar link, or just text me my email. I will be very happy to discuss. And one more thing that I want to mention, like we not build the another DEX or something, yeah, because there's a lot of DEXs. We are creating the autonomic trading terminal for the multi-chain world, intuitive, powerful, and accessible for everyone. Because we know how traders start, we know what they feeling, we know what they're afraid for, we know what is hard, we know what is easy. So that's why we do this. Yeah, and we try to solve all these things that I mentioned actually before. Uh, Sorry, maybe I was long. Yeah, but I can talk about our product unlimited time. So if you have any questions, please feel free.
Yeah, and that's great. Thank you for your presentation. We have a lot of things to discuss. So first of all, I would like to ask you. So you mentioned that first version is already live. It was launched in January. Maybe you can open it and
Oh,
share
yeah.
how it works and what functions you already have there.
Yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah, it's a good idea. So this is our actual website, and we have here, if someone interested, our roadmap, and here the what is the flipper, what we will have, like a lot of things that I mentioned in my presentation. But of course, we have this in our website. Here the key advantages, yeah, AI powered execution, smart liquidity routings, perpetual and spot trading, cross-chain bridge, and everything that we have, and we will, yeah, do this. And a lot of things about our product, our project. Of course, we will have, for example, a referral program. Of course, we'll have like cross-chain things, so a lot of beautiful things, and you can guys actually see this in our website. So if you visit our website, is flpp.io. Here we go to the app, and I can show you what we have right now. So actually we have here already like just swap mode. We have trading mode actively, yeah, and we have market pools. How it's work? Let me show you. So we have everywhere the this button Ask AI. If you just need to swap, for example, you have some assets in Solana, you want to swap to USDT or something, you can use only this mode. Yeah, here we have instant execution and limit execution. What's the difference? So instant execution, it means like you can swap using the market price right now what we have. Yeah, limit execution, that means you can set any price that you want to set up here, and buy or sell from the price that you want to. Yeah, for example, right now, for example, it's cost like $80. Let me see how much it's $83, and you can buy or sell by $83, or you can set up the limit order, for example, for, I don't know, $90. Yeah, when it will be $90, you can set. And what we actually have done here, this is the first like page and first thing, we already have here closing orders. Yeah, what does it mean? From my opinion, this is something revolutionary. With no one have this, even Binance or someone. When you buy or change something on the spot, for example, you buy it from the $90, and you can set up closing order, and it will be sold after you buy. So that means right now it's 83, you buy from 90, and you can set up the closing order for, I don't know, 100, something like this. Yeah, and it will automatically doing, and of course it will be doing everything in blockchain. Of course you will be signed for all the transaction. So we have, and when I spoke, when I told you about the trading tools and managing tools, I spoke with this as well. Here, if you want, you can see the chart, and of course the history. So this is the first page with just swap, so you can hide all these things. Yeah, and only you can swap actively something by instant on limit. We have trading mode. So trading mode is it's equal with the professional mode. Why? Because we have here chart. You can use the trading tools here to, I don't know, find the some trend. Yeah, it's always helps with what happening right now. Of course, sorry, it's 5 minutes. It's better to I always use like 1 hour. Yeah, set up something like this. We have a lot of technical analysis things like Fibonacci or something like this. Who is a trade? He know how it's important. For example, we're talking about the Solana here. So we have a lot of technical instruments here. Of course, you can remove it if you not use it. We have information here. You can find information about market cap, circulating supply, total supply. We have here volume, net volume. Like we can see even what's happened right now in the blockchain. Like we can see 79% is buying, 34% is selling, and sometimes it's helped to make some decision. Yeah, and of course we can ask AI. Uh, Let me. I'll connect the. Oh my God! Sorry. Oh, I stopped sharing. Sorry. Let me connect my wallet and we'll connect you. I don't want to show my password. Uh, but actually it's very important part. Okay. Uh, can you see my screen right now?
Yeah, it's good.
Ah, yeah, okay. Okay, I just connected my wallet here, and actually, this is like your assets, and you always can manage your assets here. For example, you analyze the market and you want to do something, and before you do something, actually, you can ask some information about the Solana. If you on this page, on the Solana page, you can just click yes, and our AI right now is finding the all information and even can give you some suggestion. Let me. I'll remove all these things because it can not help us. Okay. Yeah, look. So here the information that we received, and actually it was, I think, in my opinion, very fast, because right now AI analyzed technical and fundamental analysis and everything what happened in the market. So, and we have Sol is currently trading at $83 with the 24-hour decline. So, and even it gives some how to say, not the signal but what happened, like it's neutral, and it's better to buy between like 70 and $80 and sell around 95. Here we have the draw trade levels. If we click here, we will have all the levels that our AI suggestion here in your graphic, yeah, here. So you can buy between 70 and 80 and sell here. So, and we have entry point here. So it's better to right now, it's a natural situation, wait until the these levels like $80, $75 something, buy here and sell here. I want to tell something. It's not the advice. It's just show you how it's happened. Of course, everyone and every trader can decide by himself what is better to do. Trade, not trade, listen the information here. But we give tools. Yeah, we give very good tools just to, simplify the trading. And of course, we have here like sell, buy, we have instant and limit. As I mentioned before, we have closing orders and everything will work like this here. So it's very important for traders to see and use this technical analysis. And if you guys want to do this, so even you can set up limit orders. For example, if you want to buy for $70, yeah, you can set up uh, limit order buy. Yeah, you can set up here $70, and it will happen when the price will become $70. Even here we have expiration date for this order because this is limit order buying Solana for $70. Like it can be 10 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, or 30 days, or something like this. If we'll have the price $70 per Solana, your trade will execute and you will have this position. And of course, it's spot and everything connected in the blockchain. So you can review everything in Explorer, Solana, scan and everything. If we will not have this price during to 10 minutes, something like this, this order will be expired and that's all. So yeah, this is the tools that we already have, and we don't have here margin trading and derivative tradings because it's spot, and you directly buying this from, you can say, blockchain. Yeah, we have market pools, which is, I really like this page because here you can summarize all what happened right now, like price. Um, Volume, liquidity holders, and a lot of things. Yeah, here we have Ask AI button. You can like analyze what happened with the instruments right here using our AI. We have a lot of instruments. It's major, stable. We have X stocks, which is, I think, is brilliant. You can buy like Tesla, Nvidia, and it's everything in the Solana chain. Yeah, which I think it's very cool, and you can keep it just on your wallet. And of course, I don't know, guys, did you see my wallet right now? But here you will have any assets and you can use your assets. And as I mentioned before, like your assets in your pocket, you not send it to someone or our platform or something. And yeah, next we will have perpetuals and the forex. Why we divide it? Actually, it's a derivative. Yeah, it's all derivatives, and we divide it because this is different instruments. So perpetuals would be most for crypto instruments. For the forex, it's decentralized forex. We will have forex assets. Yeah, we'll have gold and a lot of things like that. Uh, yeah, I think this is the important thing that I want to highlight. And again, sorry, that was, I think, long from my side. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
yeah, it's cool that you can show us like what actually you already have and what are your roadmap as well. It's interesting about Forex stuff because I definitely think it can have some success. But as for DEX aggregator, especially spot DEX aggregator. I know that Jupiter is absolutely dominant on Solana with more than $800 billion traded last year. So why users should choose your DEX aggregator and don't go to Jupiter directly? Because I prefer for my spot exchange operations. Jupiter, I know it's fast, it's good overall. Also, one more question about your AI.
Mm-hmm.
We had previous experience that all this AI stuff were expensive and really slow. Why do you think it's better than smart routing that Jupiter uses, for example, and also how it helps users to protect their trades on MEV bots? So yeah, I would like to know more about your tech inside and why do you see it will help you to attract users?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's very good questions. Yeah. and I want to tell something. We're not like competitive with Jupiter, yeah, and even we can use Jupiter, yeah, and we start from Solana, and we next we will have cross chain and multi chain. So, for example, Jupiter have only Solana chain. We will have like multi chain. This is first. Second thing, our trading tools, as I mentioned, like we help with we make the easy onboarding. This is the first thing. We solved a lot of things. For example, if you trade with Jupiter, you open one position. In our perpetual contracts, you can divide it. For example, you have, I don't know, $1,000 and you use 25 leverage or something, and you not open $25,000 in one DEX. So you can divide it during, I don't know, three, four, five, and it's everything calculating by our AI. So the first difference is our AI layer, because it's really integrated in the blockchain and integrated in the everything that doing trader. So right now we don't have money management, but we will have it for the next steps. So if we talk about Jupiter, I think it's brilliant product, but it's different. It's different from the user experience. It's different from the execution, and they works with Solana, and we just start from Solana. Yeah, and yes, please.
Yeah, I got your point. So, first of all, you want to be multi-chain, and that's the main idea. And second, like the overall process is a bit different.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, okay, good. As for like you position your platform as a one place for traders where they can trade different assets, spot market, perpetual, etc., in one
Yeah.
place. But also like some features that you mentioned, like limit orders, like close positioning orders,
Hmm.
etc. They are already realized in trading terminals like Photon, GMJ, and Axiom. How do you position your platform with them? Because execution there is very fast. You have a lot of tools that developed for traders, for pro traders, and one of the like most important thing is the speed, of course, but not only speed, also like different settings and setups that you can make. And what's your advantage here?
Yeah, this is the, we can say, the market standard. Yeah, everyone have like instant and limit orders, and as far as I know, the dexes that you mentioned, they have on the derivatives desk. Yeah, I'm not sure do they have the set or closing orders on the spot or not, but for derivatives like perpetuals, futures, this is the standard things. Yeah, and of course, it's very important. Like indicator is fast execution. Yeah, because as a trader, you always want to do it very fast, and we make actually a lot of tests how fast this happen, and where and try to give the fast execution. But for traders, it's not only the reason to trade with someone or not trade. Yeah, there's a lot of things like user-friendly interface, the copilot that helps with the, I don't know, make a decision or something. And again, if you trade with GMX, which is good and great, I think it's very good product. I tried by myself. What's the different? For example, if you open position in the future, you will open in perpetuals. We can divide it. We can divide, and even maybe we can use, I don't know, GMX, or we can use another dexes to execute this. What it gives traders, that give more flexibility. For example, if you can open like one position, but actually it will be three or four positions in different places. You can partly close in different positions, different places. This is first. You can see where is the best spread. And I mentioned before, as I mentioned before, our revenue model we earn from the trading fee. So even we calculate if you pay less spread but pay some commission, it will be more like saving for you as even you trade with one. So this is our position. Like we're not competitive with someone. I think that all the products it's very good, but we give something more. We give like better. When I say execution, it's not only fast execution. We give the provide the copilot. We provide the insights. We help to divide the position. We give them money management. No one gives some money management rules. No one. And we want that our AI even calculate your position, calculate how much you trade, how much you have free margin, how it's, risky, high risky or low risky for you for trade. No one have this. All mentions products that you mentioned before don't have this, and we want to bring more traders on this market. It's very important before we start and we discussed with you about new traders and what happened right now. A lot of traders is liquidation right now because of market, because like it's Bitcoin is down in and very high down, and we can see every day like $1 trillion position is closed or something like this. Why it's happened? You know why it's happened? Because traders have don't have enough margin for the position. Yeah, and this is the part of money management. When you have the correct money management, you don't have the position. Why you need to stay in the short position, for example, when you see the big drop and you understand. So, for example, if you open the position with $1,000 and use leverage 50, for example, yeah, so your position volume is $50,000. That means like every tick and every price change is more costly for you, and you pay only from your margin. You not pay from your own volume. And this is the very simple things. When you trade, you understand. And right now we have a lot of liquidation in the market, which is sad, very sad for these people. But we need to have more new traders. We need to give these traders tools to not have the same situation in the future. That's why we bring our product, because how many mistakes I was made from myself, how many mistake made another traders, like a lot of mistakes. And we provide this product and want to give it for the traders. And I believe it will be useful for the traders.
Yeah, thank you for such a detailed answer. And I also have one more like AI agents were everywhere last year in the end of 2024, but mostly died. Why do you think yours will stick?
Oh, it's a very good question, and we discussed with our team, and um, of course we totally believe in our product. Yeah, we believe and we love what we're doing. Yeah, this is the first reason why we believe that our AI will be live. Second thing, this is the useful AI. Yeah, it's not just AI. We not use AI just to hype or give to our project some new I don't know, name or something like this. Our AI, as I mentioned, it will be integrated in the blockchain. It will, provide insights and help with execution and do all these things. That's why we believe it will be live, and that's why we believe it will help to our traders. We will, onboard new traders. And how was that? Yeah, how was that? So we, of course, we traded by ourselves on our platform first, and then we invite our friends and friends, yeah, to trade on our platform. And of course, we receive some feedback. After that, we create the small community with 500 active traders, and of course, they are still with us right now, and open the wait list, sorry, and provide the service and our product to this small community with 500 traders. And of course, we receive some feedback. And what we can see from our analytics, that they use our AI. That's why we believe that, we will have more active traders, and they will use this product because it's useful, because this is thing that will help them. I use pen when I written because this is useful, and I want that our AI will be the same for traders, so they will trade on our platform and use our AI. So that's why I believe, and in our team we believe that yeah, that this product will be used from the traders.
And by the way, like I know that AI is pretty expensive and costly for you.
Yeah,
So maybe you can share with us some statistics. How many volumes are executed on your platform? How many fees you collected, and how much of that fees you spent for AI? Like, does this mathematic works?
Oh yeah, yeah. Of course. Look, we have our financial models, we have unique economics, and we of course we calculate all our cost. And unfortunately, I cannot show you the specific numbers right now, but we calculate how much it can cost. We calculate everything, how much we have this for the support, uh, how many people we have to develop our AI, how many people we have to support this AI, how much we servers we need, and everything includes to our financial models. And of course we have some numbers that we want to achieve from the active traders. If we achieve this, we will be like 100% profitable because it's everything calculated. So Daniel, I'm really sorry I cannot tell the specific numbers, but believe me, we calculate this and we understand. Everything costs money, and everything that we do, we have in our financial models, and we live in these financial models. And because our project, we work more than 1 year, so we started in the December 2024. And we create our first model. Of course we change it because everything changes. Yeah. Even I can tell you some, we always make some researches. We're making like technical researches, we have market researches, because I like this, and I want that our team always research what is happening in the market. In our market, this is a very important thing. So everything change very fast. Yeah. Even the technical researches that we make in July 2025, we have some tools that not work right now in the February 2026, and what I want to tell you, so we have, of course, we have everything calculated, and of course, we have this in our financial model, but we always see what happen. Yeah, we are very flexible. This is, like my position and position of my partner, Carlen. We are very flexible on this part. So we always analyze the market, we always analyze the technologies. We try to, give the better solution, but not lose the quality of what we provide. Yeah, because yeah, this is the business that we're doing, and of course we calculate this.
Yeah, of course, I don't want to disclose like real numbers, but maybe some insights, maybe share of users that use AI every day when
Oh,
they trade, some kind of this interesting things, you know.
I got it. I got it. So I mentioned that we have around 100 traders in our community. So, sorry, 500. And around 90% of our traders use this AI. This is our statistic.
That's pretty interesting, yeah, insightful.
Yeah,
And what?
that's why we believe it. It will, when we will have like 500,000 traders, so we'll have the same number of using AI.
Mhm. And what is your biggest challenge right now? Is it fragmentation, fees, maybe user onboarding, and how are you fixing that?
Oh yeah, it's it's very good question. Um, mm, of course, uh, this is the user acquisition first. Yeah. Why? Because we have team, we have resources, we have resource to develop perpetuals, derivatives, as I mentioned, the forex, and our main goals is right now to the user acquisition to find more people who can use this, find more how it's called like product market fit, yeah, to making the product market fit exactly. And I think and I believe that we're already finding the correct audience, and I believe that we really will help with the problems and fix the problems, and they can use us. This is the first thing. Second thing, of course, fundraising. Like I mentioned, we launched it at the January. To be honest, it's the January 21. Yeah, 2026. So we not generate a lot of revenue right now. And the second challenge for us is fundraising. We're actively in the fundraising round, and we talk with a lot of funds. We talk with investors, and yeah, we're trying to have some financial resources to develop all our roadmap.
And have you thought about, let's say, public round? We are in crypto. The overall idea of crypto, in my opinion, was about helping business to fundraise easily from people. Now we see the different picture when we see uh, took the biggest part of share in crypto, and unfortunately we see the
Mhm.
results when they dumped in the retail and people just tired of this things that happens right now. But we see the shift again. We see that platforms started fundraising campaigns on their own platforms, like ICO boom, as it was in 2017. And one of the good example on Solana, it's space protocol, it's perpetual prediction market.
Mhm.
They raised more than $5 million last month on public ICO. So,
Mhm.
have you explored this opportunity? I think it can be a good idea because you build product for traders, and maybe you should offer something for them. That's why they would like to be not only like your users but also your investors.
Yeah, to be honest, we our strategy is we want to use the all the opportunities. Yeah, if we talk about retail investors or something, and again, yeah, we have some research and we see that retail investors they're kind of tired. Yeah, as you mentioned, is everything what happen right now, and it's maybe this is the right position to wait until some movement and then enter the market. And yeah, of course, we talk with VCs, and we would like to go on this way, and we will do this. And we right now in actively negotiation with a few crypto funds, and we'll see what happen and how it will turn. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. And yeah, we are live for more than 50 minutes right now, so it's pretty long. I think we should wrap up soon. So maybe one of the insight or fascinating things that like you found out while you're building this protocol, maybe some interesting fact you can share with us.
Oh, yeah, actually, I already talk about this. I was surprised how is fast changing everything. Even guys, if you have some plans, and for example, when we start to do this, like we didn't see any competitors, we didn't see the same product, but everything grow fast, and we can see that we have kind of like similar projects, not the same with not our features that we have. So inside that I find out and was very surprised that it's fast, very very changes very fast. Like we're talking about months. It's not the years, it's not the 10 years or something. Like market change every like 2, 3 months, something like this. Yeah, and I was very surprised about this. Even as I mentioned before, about the technical research and how everything happened and changed. Yeah, and it's very important to always see what happened and make very fast changes, be flexible, and this is the thing that I believe that will help to any project in the market.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. Market is really fast. Also, narratives. We see like narrative can last maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then another
Yeah.
narrative. Now it's really fast. So we have also a couple of questions from our community on our live stream. So first of all, you described Flipper as AI native. How does a natively integrated AI model differ from a standard DEX that simply uses an external AI API for trade suggestions?
Look, our AI actually, as I mentioned, he analyzed the real tools. He analyzed technical analysis, fundamental analysis, social media, and all the factors that we have right now. Plus, this is for give the guides and insight for the traders. So we this is machine learning and we have the engineers who engineer all these things and it's work by himself. This is the product that make better by himself every day. This is the first thing that he do. The second thing, it's what he do with finding the best routes. And the third thing, this is like what he will do in the next phases of his development, because as I mentioned, he will go deeper to the blockchain and see what happened and see how much margin you have, etc., etc. That's why from my side, I don't see the conflict here. So from my side, this is absolutely natural. This is the product and technique that make trading easier.
Cool,
Yeah, I
thank you.
believe I answered, yeah, for the question.
The last question from the community. Does Flipper use API from exchanges? And also, how do they handle bugs with APIs and glitches? Maybe it's a bit
Uh,
technical, but still.
Yeah, it's a big technical look. So we have a lot of ways to integrate another DEXs, and we use our smart contract, of course. So it's not just we find out DEXs, we took their APIs and integrate. It's not like this. So our engineers work on this to make this process first of all safety, second of all is fast. Yeah, and of course there's a lot of like exchanges with APIs, and we have a lot of ways to integrate, and we use the best one to integrate. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So yeah, I believe it was pretty insightful. Thank you for sharing your vision, for sharing the real product. That's what I love the most. When you don't talk about any ideas, you already have product. Everyone can try it. So please, if you saw this video, just like try and share your opinion. Follow us on X. Follow Flipper on X. You can also share your feedback with Narek directly using the QR code, etc. So we are like you even can drop your question in the comments after this post, and we will answer it. So yeah, thank you for your time for this insightful session. I believe the DeFi with AI optimization will be even more effective, even more faster, and what is most important, people will have more information, more knowledge, because I am trader as well. I know a lot of traders, especially who just started, and they don't understand sometimes what they do. So with these tools, I believe the transparency will be high, and the knowledge of traders will be high as well. So thank you for building this product, for building the future of DeFi, and thank you
Yeah.
for sharing these insights.
Thank you for organizing and thank you for all the question. I'm really happy. Yeah, if I have any question, my email is narek flpp.io. So feel free to text me. Yeah, have a
Amazing.
good day. Yeah.
Thanks everyone to join us today. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend and see you next week. Bye bye.
See
Thank
you.
you.
Take care.